Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a Revolut business account in the UK. This is great for UK freelancers and businesses to manage payments, international transfers, and multiple currency accounts easily. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to Revolut Business UK website if you haven't already. And once you're here, you will just have to click the sign up button right here. And then after that, you will just have to fill in your mobile number or scan the QR code to download the app, and then you can create your account there. But if the other thing is prompted to you, which is you you will be prompted to choose your business type, then you could also do that. So what you will have to do is select either freelancer or limited company or sole trader, and then you will just have to click next. And then after that, you will fill in your business information such as your company name, registration number, and business type, and then click next again. And the next, you will enter your personal details such as your owner details, and then of course you do have to upload proof of ID, which is either passport or driver's license. And next, you will set up your bank accounts by choosing your main currency, which is GBP, and additional currencies if needed. And then you could also link an existing bank account if applicable. And then after all that, you will just have to double check all the information and submit, and then you will wait for the verification that would usually take about a few hours to 1 to 2 business days. And yeah, that's how you can create a Revolut business account in the UK, and like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.